Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread without an oven only ways. Heat a heavy lidded pan on the lowest flame, preheat for 5 minutes, then place a heat diffuser or thick skillet beneath the pan. Pour batter into a greased loaf pan, set inside the pan, cover tightly, and steam for 40 to 50 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool slightly before slicing and serve warm with butter or jam. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread without an oven only ways. Always sift dry ingredients and fold gently to avoid overworking the batter. Bring the stovetop pan to a gentle steady simmer, not a rolling boil, and place the loaf on a trivet or ring to prevent direct heat. Monitor steam and rotate the pan once halfway through cooking for even browning and a tender, uniformly baked crumb. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread without an oven only ways. Quick recommendation: if you like practical kitchen gear, the Oala water bottle holds plenty of water, keeps drinks cold, and fits cup holders during messy prep. It's great to sip while monitoring your stovetop loaf or cooling slices on the counter. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're finding this helpful, subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread without an oven only ways. Try swapping half the sugar for maple syrup or honey for a deeper flavor profile. Fold in 1 cup of mix-ins like walnuts or chocolate chips and press a few pieces on top for an attractive crust. For a lighter loaf, replace some flour with oats and reduce baking powder slightly, then adjust steaming time as needed for a moist center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.